Alright, welcome back everyone. Hope you had a good break. Okay, now we're ready to start on the second code of the day. That's our strobe light. Okay, so first, let's create a new project and exit our temperature code. Go back to home, click on new project. Okay, the new project, the second one is called strobe light. Don't forget to give your project your name. Okay, for the strobe light, we're going to delete start because we are not going to use it, but we are going to use forever. And I will explain this later. Okay, now everyone, today for our strobe light is going to show us a rotating string of light, okay, that will be activated by button A on and button B off. Okay, so let's start coding for that by adding our input button blocks. So one for button A and one for button B. Okay, so this is our on and off. Okay, now everyone, our moving strobe light is going to be given a name. Okay, I'm going to call it rotation. I'm going to make it a variable because it's going to switch between on and off. Okay, so go to variables, make a variable, call it rotation. Okay, now I'm going to pull up set rotation block, put it in A, and I'm also going to put it in B. Okay, now on button A press, I'm going to set rotation to on. Okay, how to get the on? We have to go to logic, scroll down, look for a true block. True represents on. So pull it out, put it in this 0 here under A. Okay, I know the shape is different, but it actually works. Okay, for B, it's going to be the opposite. So for off, in coding, off means false. Okay, so I'm going to go back to logic, pull out a false, put it in B instead. Okay, so everyone, we got our on and off switches ready, but we haven't put in the data yet. What kind of thing you want to move? Okay, so for that, we're going to move on to the forever block, and we're going to use a conditional. Okay, so go to logic, take out a if then else, because today we have two conditions, one for on, one for off. Put it under forever. Okay, and under this, I'm going to add yet another logic block. Okay, scroll down. We're going to use a comparison block, equal sign. Take it out, put it inside this hexagon shape here. Okay, let me just zoom out so you can see closer, better. Okay, now if my rotation equals to true, that means if my rotation is on, let me just find the true block. Okay, so this means if my rotation is true, if it's on, then I want it to show my LED lights. So I'm going to go to basic, drag out show LEDs. I'm going to create a rotating light animation pattern. Okay, so this one you can do it slowly. It's very simple actually. Okay, I'm just going to make a series of light patterns that's rotating. Oops. Horizontal line. Okay, duplicate this. Next is going to be a vertical line. Oh, sorry, not yet. It's going to be another diagonal line. Okay, I'm not going to do the vertical line because it's already at the top. So this should repeat until I off the microbit. Okay, so now everyone, we're done with true. What about false? False is represented by the else because else is the opposite, if not. So if not true, then of course it's false. So for false, instead of LED pattern, we're going to clear the screen. Go to basic, look for a more, clear screen block. Okay, pop it under the else. Okay, so everyone, let's test this out. When I press A, my strobe light should start spinning. There we go. Now when I press B, it's going to switch off. Oh, and there it works. Don't believe it? Try again. A on my strobe light is going to keep spinning non-stop again and again and again until I press B off, and then it will finally stop. Okay, so that's all for your strobe light code. Download this as well. Okay, and today I will need you to upload both codes into eCampus. Okay, so have fun. I know it takes a pretty long time to code, but once you get it, it's pretty fast. Okay, so have fun, enjoy. See you next time.